Not all LED TVs can be fixed with tape. Someone abandoned this Samsung Smart TV after fighting hard to get the black screen display to come back to life. They taped the ribbon cables, desoldered capacitors on the source PCBs and silicon board, and also partially detached the cuffs at both ends of the panel. Still, nothing. If they only knew these two secrets, they would have been able to fix it. 1. Feedback signals, and 2. Short circuits can occur anywhere. The challenge with troubleshooting this issue is that even when the root cause is only on one side of the display, when you disconnect the ribbon on that side, you get no picture on the other side because of the feedback signal that is disconnected. After taking care of the signal, I could then determine the good side, which was the right. Next was to block gate signals to the supposed bad side, which was already done by them, partially separating the first cuff, and could also be done by taping the gate signal traces on the left side ribbon. The TV still went into protection mode. This left me with two possibilities. Either the PCB or a cuff was faulty. Upon closely examining the three cuffs on the left side, I could tell that the one in the middle was shorted. By detaching it from the PCB, the display comes alive. Now I know that the final step to take to ensure a perfect display is to replace this cuff and the one after it using my bonding machine.